welcome back to my channel. Today I have another hair video for you guys. I ordered from a different vendor this time. It's called TINASHE 100% virgin human hair. Now I believe that this vendor used to be on AliExpress. Don't quote me, but they have like a separate website now, which I really like. I prefer to order from like not third party, I don't think that's considered third party, but like I like to order from hair companies that have their own website as opposed to ordering through AliExpress, because AliExpress you have to filter through a lot of trash to find good vendors, you know, like it's hard to know what's what with them. So I ordered from them. I just got this today. I picked it up from like the FedEx shipping place by my house because I missed the delivery yesterday, but whatever the case, I have this hair. I have a couple bundles and a frontal, and I'm gonna make my first ever frontal wig myself from scratch. So I'm debating if I'm gonna record that for you guys, but we'll see. So this is my first time seeing the hair. This is y'all first time seeing the hair. So let's just get into the video to see what these bundles is hitting for. It comes in this really cute bag. Like, this is cute. You don't see a lot of companies sending their hair like that. So I have one 20-inch bundle, and this is the loose deep hair texture, and it's Brazilian hair, I think. Yeah, but it's in the loose deep hair texture, which I'm really excited to try. Another 20-inch bundle, another 20-inch. I think I got all 20. I got 3 20-inch bundles and a 16-inch frontal, as you can see. So let's go ahead and open up the frontal because we want to know the tea about this frontal. Let's see. Let's open it. There's some very long baby hairs on this. Like, OD long. Like, how do I get this out? Alright. So this is the frontal. It actually looks plucked. Like, the hairline looks like they actually went in and plucked it, but it does look like the roots are really straight and then it goes into a wave. So I'm wondering what it's gonna look like once it's washed. But the hair is so soft and the texture is, oh, I thought it was shedding. This is a hairnet. But this is what the frontal looks like. The baby hairs are really long. Like, you see, I'm gonna cut those shorter, but the construction looks really good. I'm gonna tint the lace with tea, and I don't think I'm gonna bleach the knots because I don't want the frontal to shed and get all thin and bald, because I've never bleached a frontal before. But yeah, this looks great. The hair I have on right now looks pretty good too, but this looks great. I'm excited to try this. So let's take a look at the bundles now. So let's take a look at this bundle. I'm really feeling this texture. It reminds me of a texture hair that I used to buy all the time, like a loose wave, but it's a little bit more wavy from what I've seen in other people's videos. So it just looks really pretty when it's wet. I'm going on vacation, so I need some wet and wavy type of hair. Seems really thick, really full, and the hair I have in is 20 inches, and it seems to be about the same. It doesn't have a bad smell, but it has like that new bundle smell. Like, I feel like all bundle hair smells like this. Yeah, it has like that new smell. It doesn't smell like corn chips or anything like that. It just smells like factory. That's all I could think of to describe how that smells. I don't know if all the factories use like something to, I don't know, but it smells like that, but it doesn't stink. And from my experience, as soon as you wash the hair, that smell comes out, so I'm not concerned. But look how pretty. Look it. And I'm not getting any shedding. I'm literally running my fingers through the bundle. And it's so bouncy, flowy, beautiful. Let's see if it matches the frontal. It does, but that could change once the hair is wet. And I'm really feeling this hair. I think it's going to be really pretty. So So let's just go ahead and open the other 2 bundles. Hopefully that's enough hair. What do you guys think? I feel like when you have a frontal that covers like this whole part, you don't need 4 bundles of hair. And I don't even know if I'd be able to fit that much hair onto a wig. So we're gonna see. I'm just gonna open the other 20-inch bundles and see if they have consistency. Because you know how like you order bundles and like one of them is a different color, like a little bit off, or one of them is a little thin. Like I want to see if all their hair looks just as good. So let's look at this one. But they're all the same length, 20 inches. I didn't want it too long. Yes, yes, looks bomb. This one seems a little bit thinner. I don't know if I'm going crazy, but this one doesn't seem to have as much. Maybe they're the same. This one seems thicker to me. What do y'all think? I don't know. Hair looks good though. What does the tag say? 100% virgin human hair. And there's some maintenance instructions. Basic stuff. Looks bomb. It's so soft. I've really been feeling silky texture hair lately. Like, I've been feeling it because, I don't know. If I'm going to have a weave, I don't want it to be coarse like my natural hair. I want it to be silky. Like a little bit of a change, you know? If I was going to wear a leave out, then we'd have to get a little bit more coarse texture, like a kinky straight or something. But if I'm doing a wig or like something like that, I prefer silkier hair just because it just feels so good to me. Like this hair is so silky what I have in. So let's look at the last bundle. Just so you guys can see, this is like, I can't give you any opinion about the hair really. It's just based on opinion, not opinion. It's based on appearance right now. Like how the hair looks, how the hair feels. I will come back with another video once the wig is made on how it's held up and all that after I've washed it and gone on vacation with it. But right now it's looking bomb, y'all. Like look at the 3 bundles. I think this is going to be more than enough with the frontal for me. So we'll see. I think it's really pretty, and I only spent like $150. I had a coupon though, but I spent like $150 for these 3 bundles and the frontal. That is a steal for some virgin hair. And if this is good quality, y'all, I might have just found the best virgin hair for cheap, because look at it. It's beautiful. I cannot wait. Just imagine like coming out of the beach water and this air drying, just looking so pretty. So I'm excited. Once again, this is TINASHE hair, and they also put like a little paper in here like most companies do. Inside it just shows like the textures they offer, different bundles and stuff, and what else is on here? Oh, they're saying if you like share and rate them 5 stars, you'll get $5 back. Yeah, this hair came really fast. I ordered it, when did I place this order? Sometime last week, and it came, damn it, why can't I remember? I never can remember anything. It took less than a week to come, less than a week. It took 1 day to process, and then to ship it took about 2 to 3 days. But since I missed my delivery, it would have been 2 days if I would have been able to get it yesterday. But today is the 3rd day since I got the shipping notification, like, oh, your order has been shipped by FedEx, blah, blah, blah. Since I got that, it's been 3 days. And that's only because I missed the delivery yesterday. I had to come pick it up today at the place because FedEx doesn't deliver on the weekends. And I need to make this wig like ASAP because I work Monday, Tuesday. My flight leaves on Thursday. And I'm off this weekend. So like I need to make the wig now before I go because I need to make sure it looks good. Otherwise, I have to figure something else out for vacay. So this looks good. I'm excited about this hair. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see me make the wig. I'm hesitant to make a video because this is going to be my first wig that I've ever made, like with a frontal. I've made a wig with the closure before, and I kind of messed it up a little bit. It wasn't that hard. I made the wig, but it came out too small. So I ordered a bigger wig head and everything, so we'll see how that turns out. I might record it. We'll see. If you guys want to see that, let me know below. But I think that's all for now. I can't tell you much, but the hair looks really pretty. And the frontal, I'm very much impressed because I thought it was going to be super thick around the edges and I was going to have to tweeze so much, but it's looking like I'm only going to have to tweeze like the tiniest bit, if at all. So I'm excited. So let me know what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see all of you lovely people in my next video. Bye.